Dear students, welcome to my channel again. Today, I will give you some basic information about arithmetic progression. In short, AP. Progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers which you can obtain by by adding or subtracting a fixed number. Mind it, fixed number. You may add a fixed number or you may subtract a fixed number from your preceding numbers, maybe first numbers. I've said that is a sequence of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. etc. Two types of arithmetic progression. Number one, finite number of finite arithmetic progression. Matlab means it will be end after a certain numbers. Suppose 180, the last number. So it's a finite arithmetic progression. Another is in infinite arithmetic progressions. That means there will be no mention about your last numbers. And I have already said adding or subtracting a fixed number. Look at this gap 2, 2, 2, 2. Maybe it's 3. 3, 3, 3. Adding a fixed number. Or 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, subtracting a fixed number. So it is clear that AP is nothing but a sequence of numbers which we can obtain by adding or subtracting a fixed number from its preceding numbers. From its preceding numbers. At the very first position, the number is called first number, denoted by A. And the difference between two numbers is called common difference, denoted by small d. And the number of terms, denoted by small n. These are the main basic terms. First number is called A. Difference between two numbers is called D. And the number of terms is denoted by n, in number of terms. So here is a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers. If it is your question, or if in a problem, it has been asked to find out the 15th number. So it is possible by counting. But when it is said at 35th number, then it will be a time consuming one. So there is a formula for finding the nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term, d means 10 minus 8, sorry, 8 minus 10 minus 2. I have already said the difference between two numbers, that means subtracting a number from its preceding numbers. You will get the common difference. So A plus nth term, 35th term. That means 30, 35th terms. Yeah, T means terms. T 35, 35 minus 1, and D means minus 2. 10, 34 minus 2, 10, minus 68. That means minus 58 will be the 35th number. In this way, you can find out any position of numbers from your series, AP series. Now, after that, there is a series. Here, first term 4. Common difference 4. Find out the sum of first 20 terms. So there is a formula for summation. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value. N means S20, 20 by 2, 2a, n minus 1, 20 is my number of terms, d means 4, 2 4 is 8, 19 into 4, 76, 10 into 84, that means 840 will be the summation of first 20 terms. So in this way, you can also find out. So there is a new formula for summation of nth terms, and the first formula was to find out the nth terms. In this way, you can find out the summation and nth in any position of the value of any terms in any positions. Now another one things. In your examination, there will be some problems, or there will be a problem where it has been mentioned sum of first 3 numbers are sum of first 3 numbers in AP. It will be mentioned are 42. and the product of first and third number or you may call it term. First and third term is 52. In our AP, it is called term. Number values, but it called term. Nth term, fifth term, sixth term. So find out first term and common difference. This type of problem also is given in your exam. But in this case, look at this problem. First three terms, how can I start? How can I gauge the first term? How can I gauge the second term? So there is a process. When you have asked the first three terms, you will be taking it in this way. Let first three terms are a minus d, a plus d. You will ask, why sir? Why in this way? Because it has an advantage. Because when you sum the three numbers, look at this, look at here, minus d and plus d will be eliminated, and a will be there. So it will be easier for us to find out the first term of the series. According to the problem, sum of the first three terms is 42. Plus d minus d will be eliminated. Sorry, eliminated. A, 3a. 3a is equal to 42. A is equal to 42 by 3. That means 14. Here is your first term. And another points have been there. The product of first and third term. And first and third term product. Product means multiplication. If there is no sign between two brackets, in our mathematics, it will be treated as multiplication. Is equal to 52. Here, a minus d, a plus d. That means a square minus b square. We have already calculated the value of a. So 14 square minus d square is equal to 52. 14 square matlab 196 minus d square is equal to 52. The minus d square is equal to 52 and 96. Subtract them because when it will be there, its sign will be negative and the subtract will be 144. Eliminate minus d is equal to plus minus root over 144. That means plus minus 12. I repeat, when you have this type of problem, the first three term of AP is this and the product of first and third term and maybe else. If there is any types of logic, will be any type of logic. The first thing you will do, let the first term a minus d, a plus d. After that, according to your conditions in your problem, you will be put at the here some of the AP was 42, so I have put it some of the three terms of AP, and in this way I find out the value of first term. After that, the condition was the product of first and third term. I have put it the first and third term. Product means multiplication. I have already said if there is no sign between two brackets, it will be treated as a multiplication. A minus b plus b square minus b square. Putting the value of a in a, easily we can find out the value of d. But some questions will be in your mind. Sir, here if you here you have shown that if three terms are AP, then A minus D, A plus D. If there is four terms in AP, if there is four terms are in AP, then how will you take the four terms? I will give you A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A minus 3D. Then a question arises in your mind, sir, how you take this type of game? It's also a calculation, but in this video, it's not possible to show you how may I calculate this. When five terms are AP, then it will be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A minus 2D. Look, when you sum all of them, D will be eliminated and A will be there. It's a tricks. Easiest way to find out from an AP of their first term and common difference. It's a total feature of an arithmetic progression for your beneficial, particularly class 10 of CBSE and ICSE students. I will give you a solution of two or three problems. Find the 16th term of the AP 7, 11, 15, 19, and find the sum of first six terms. It's a problem of a specimen papers of 2018 and 20. At first, at the time of solution, first term A is 7. Common difference D is 11 minus 7 is equal to 2. T16th A plus n minus 1 into d. 67. This is the 16th term of n. A plus n minus 1 into d. Now sum of first 6 terms. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 6 by n means 6. Sum of first 6 terms. A 7, n minus 1, n means 6, d means common difference, 3, 14, 5 into 4, 20, 3 into 34, 102 is the summation of first 6 terms. There will be another problem. Here is another problem. There will be so many problems in your books. The fourth term of AP is 22 and the 15th term of AP is 66. Find out the first term and common difference. There is no first term, no common difference is mentioned in your problem. We will solve this in this way. T fourth is equal to 22. That means A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 22. Therefore, A plus 30d, 3d, 22, one equation. And T15 is equal to 66. In this way, A plus 14d is equal to 66. Do number equation. Equation number 2. Now, by the process of elimination, we will find out the value of A and D. By process of elimination, A plus 3D is equal to 22, A plus 14D is equal to 66. That means number one equation is multiplied by 1, number two equation is multiplied by 1. You can do in another way, add 1 and 2 or subtract 2 from 1. You may do anything. Now, by subtracting, minus sign will be changed. Minus 11d is equal to minus 44. D is equal to minus 44 by minus 11. D is equal to 4. Now put the value of 4 in equation number 1. A plus 3d is equal to 22. A plus 3 into 4 is equal to 22. A plus 12 is equal to 22. A is equal to 22 minus 12. A is equal to 10. This is the solution of this problem. Problem may vary, but mind it, your formula to finding out the innate term and the finding out the summation of the innate terms of the series of an AP will be same in any cases. But you have to focus on your problem. I have said you earlier, read the problem 2 or 3 times, or maybe one times if you are intelligent one. Then write down the value you have given in your problem, and after that, find out the solutions recently. Don't try to be in a hurry. So, guys, it's the first part of discussion of arithmetic progression. There is another part also. If you like my teachings, then please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share the videos as much as you can. I will give you all types of solutions, all types of findings after by one after another. So goodbye, guys.